Greetings, Cybermunity here. Next upload will definitely be better. I'm sorry for not uploading things like I should have. Things just got a little bit different, and plus I kind of got sucked into the 2-day deal for Prime. I found something a lot better than that though. I mean, if you follow me this way, I decided to get this. This here is a gimbal of Kaiser Baas. Sorry if I say that wrong, or simply to put it, XS3, which I'm actually really happy because it's a stabilizer, 3-point gimbal, and I can set it to move with my face. I've done some tests with the front camera, but it just seems to be a bit blurry when it comes to trying to do proper videos. But here is where it's really renowned. I mean, hi. Really love how it can just follow your face. It's not fast, but it's steady enough that I could easily do this. Ain't that something? Ow, my foot! Now that is cool. So yeah, I'll be doing a video of this tomorrow. I'm sort of trying to get things sorted. It has its moments when it does and doesn't want to work, but I mean, it's not going to be 100% now, is it? No. But at least with this, it's going to be able to keep everything nice and clear so that I can actually give you guys the content that you all deserve when it comes to doing my videos from here. And even if I feel like doing a lazy day vlog, all the way over to here and all the way to my bed, just from the comfort of my place, and it follows me wherever. It just sometimes has a hard time tracking my face is all, but it is what it is, and I'm looking forward to what I can do. So again, thank you for watching this, and I will be seeing you lot in another video. Ka kite anō, everyone. See you later. And as always, I always muck up my endings. Fuck. Oh, you're still following me. Bye. I want to be able to do work without being followed.